So we move on to question number 5, which states, in the Arctic, snowy owls are predators of lemmings. The lemmings eat Arctic plants. We are asked to draw the food chain for this Arctic ecosystem. Now remember, plants are usually the producers in an ecosystem, and they get their source of energy right from the sun. For a functioning ecosystem, we have the producer to the primary consumer, to the secondary consumer, to the tertiary consumer, and probably to the decomposer. So the food chain for this Arctic ecosystem will be the Arctic plants, which are the producers, to the lemmings, which feed on them, and to the snowy owls. The snowy owls being the secondary consumers. Now, 5b states, figure 5.1 shows changes in the populations of snowy owls and lemmings over a 3-year period. Over a 3-year period. Now, we have our graph here. The y-axis shows 100 of lemmings per kilometer squared. The second y-axis shows number of owls per kilometer squared. And our x-axis is showing us the year span, year 1 to year 2 to year 3. During the first 10 months of year 1, the lemming population increases slowly at first and then more rapidly. We are asked to suggest why the rate of increase becomes great. Why does the rate of increase becomes greater? The rate of increase of the lemming population. If we take a look at this chart very well, we'll see that our first year, the lemmings, we have one lemming per kilometer square. As we approach second year, the amount of lemmings increases massively to 10 lemmings per kilometer squared. The increase in amount of lemming is only possible due to increase in number of reproduction by the lemming. So our answer here will be increase in population. The next question states, suggest why the lemming population falls during year 2. If we take a look at the chart, right here, after year 1, the lemming population rises from 1 to 10 per kilometer squared. But when you get to year 2, the population falls short to about 2 and below 2 per kilometer squared. So why does the lemming population fall during year 2? Remember, we're not only going to answer this question, we'll also examine how to structure these answers for efficient marking. This is a question of 2 marks. Obviously, we're going to have 2 different point answers. The first being, the population of lemming probably decreased due to what? Increasing population of the snowy owls. Snowy owls are the secondary consumers that feed on the lemmings. An increase in population of the snowy owls will reduce the population of the lemmings. Also, probably the lemming population gets too large for food supply. They grow too large beyond the available food.